going to show you how we eFax. We go to the internet, we put in the eFax site, which is really just efax.com, and it moves it over to something else. It'll actually take you to something that looks like this, and then we go to login, and then it brings us back to the site. Now, for eFax, our login is our fax number, the same fax number that's on the letterhead, on the business card, so on. The password are these 4 digits. So you're going to want to write this down somewhere, or you're going to want to sign yourself in automatically so that it always remembers you, or at least until it doesn't remember you, but gets you by a few times. So we're going to log in, then we're going to send faxes. And send faxes basically creates, this is how we create a cover sheet. In this case, I'm going to send a actual fax to Commissioner Dunlop in St. Croix County Family Court Commissioner's Office. I'm just going to abbreviate that, and then I'm going to put this in. It's important to note you got to have the 1 in here. It's an international website, and therefore, while it knows we send faxes to the U.S. because it says we're sending to the U.S., you still need the 1 in here like you would in a normal fax machine if you weren't sure about area code. We hit add, and if we had opposing counsel, which actually we do, let's see here. Nicholas, yeah. Let's grab this guy's fax number. I don't remember. Here it is. So we'll go back. So Nicholas Davis. I guess it's Williams and Davis. I'm not worried about much of that. And again, we've got this in here. It automatically gets rid of the parentheses. We'll add that. But we can do up to like 50 of these. We include a cover sheet, but we don't worry about doing too much of it. So the Leiden Hestbeck Argo custody matter. Could put the court file number in there, but I don't worry about it because frankly it's just a fax cover sheet and it's on the letter that we're going to attach. Please see attached. Now we go to browse, and it's like any other sort of email upload sort of thing. Go to Dropbox, we'll go into where I've got the letter prepared under correspondence, and here it is. Well, it's saved as 8/31, it's actually today's date. And here it is. I hit browse, I hit OK, and there we got it. It's going to send the confirmation to that email. It's fine. I hit send. It does its little think. And supposedly we got a confirmation. And that's all there is to it. Until we get this set up with a project management website where you can go on and verify that we got a confirmation email from eFax saying that we successfully transmitted. You should probably send me an email note just to verify that the fax went, that you sent the fax and ask for verification. But otherwise, that's all there is to it. Everything else is pretty straightforward. You can view faxes here, but bear in mind all of our faxes come in via email. So again, we don't really worry about that. But if there was a circumstance where I was unavailable, I was in court trial, but yet you got a client telling you that they faxed it in, you could go through here, you could go in here, click view faxes, and then say, oh, well, let's see. Here's the fax the client sent, and you could download it directly. And like I said, it comes in via email as a PDF. So voila, here's the client's fax in that particular example. That's all there is to faxing. end of video tutorial.